Lifted trucks are good for one thing and one thing only. Douchebaggery. Ah!
What's up, guys?
We're back.
We're back, finally. I know we've been taking like a year hiatus almost.
Dude, life has just been a complete shit show for 2020. We made that New Year's video thinking 2020 was going to be fantastic.
I mean, you guys know thus far what's happened with the country and the world in general.
It's shit.
Yeah. Things have been going bad. We've been working on some stuff here and there. I'm still working on some stuff with the Mustang. He's working on some stuff with the Mustang.
We got some content coming your way.
We got some content coming your way, so don't forget, before we get in today's video, make sure, go subscribe.
But wait, now do we have quadruple the content?
You know, we might. We might. We might have quadruple the content. We always say big things are coming.
And now we didn't disappoint because we're being serious.
Yeah.
You know, we're still douchebags.
But now, we're douchebags with trucks. So, what do you guys think?
We're still douchebags, right?
Yeah, we're still douchebags, but I honestly love this truck. It's a great daily. It surprisingly gets really good gas mileage for a V8. Plus, it's a Coyote. Who doesn't like a Coyote? This guy clearly doesn't. He decided he wanted to get a 2.7 because, like, if you're gonna get one, at least get a 3.5. Like, come on, bud.
Hey man,
but it makes
me hooked.
It makes
Blame him.
Yeah, that's true.
Blame him.
It makes whooshy noises. Mine makes like Mustang noises.
Yeah,
but
you mislead people. They hear that going down the road, they're like, "Oh, is that a Mustang?"
No, it's an F-150.
Gay.
Rude. But yeah, I really do love the truck. I never showed it on the channel because it was a turd, to be honest. It really was. It was a turd and a half.
It was a big old duker.
It maybe made it 3. Huh?
It was a big old maroon duker.
Yeah, it was. It made it maybe 3 days on a tank of gas. It was terrible on gas.
If even. That's
I'd fill it up on Monday and maybe I'd make it till Wednesday.
That's pushing it. I mean, now granted, he does have a decent drive to work. It's not far, but I mean, it is decent, you know?
Yeah.
So, you gotta give it some credit where it's due, but still, that thing was god-awful.
Yeah, but I got rid of that and decided, like, Mustang's dang near paid off. Might as well get another car payment.
2 car payments.
2 car payments. Woo! I figured, might as well.
Thank you, Jesus.
I just really wanted something nice. I always dreamed to have an F-150 with a 5-liter in it, and I happened to find one. So
I always dreamed of having a newer Silverado.
Yeah.
Yep, I bought an F-150.
There's a Dodge coming, guys. Better watch out. Oh God, there's a Dodge coming. We don't want to get rammed. They need more Dodge.
Guys are funny.
But that's basically all I really have to say about it. I mean, it's a fully loaded for the most part. It doesn't have leather or anything like that, but I didn't really want leather because.
Show them the inside, bud. Show them the inside, bud.
I don't know if they're ready for the inside. It's awfully dirty right now.
Mine's dirty.
We just got Taco Bell, so that's in there. But
we got some Hershey squirts up in there.
We got black interior with WeatherTech formats. Look at that fancy guy right there. I'll tell you what.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And
all right.
It's got like Apple CarPlay and all that fancy stuff. And it's got that I don't know if you can see that fancy rear view electric mirror. Not electric mirror. Electric window.
It's a window, Nick. It ain't no. That's a mirror. That ain't no mirror. That's a window. That's a mirror.
You know I'm bad at words.
Okay.
You don't have to agree so fast. Damn.
Gotta give you credit where it's due, man.
But
you
yeah,
not me.
it's nice and fancy in here. But it's got pretty dark tint. His does as well, to be honest.
Yeah, they do.
But I got the spray liner in there, came with that. It's got the bed lights, as you see in the corner there. Just boop, look at that. We got bed lights, there's a window on the outside. Now, I didn't realize how much those windows actually make a difference when you're driving. When you roll, even crack a window and open that all the way, it's you don't even need AC.
When I had my rental Tacoma, I had one, and it made a difference.
Yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's got like his has it too. It has like a factory power inverter. It beefs it up a little bit, but yeah, I think it'll be a good truck. I got a pretty good deal on it, so look forward to the Whipple install vid.
Brethren. Well, actually, we're already brethren because now we got the Mustangs.
Yeah. We thought we'd be weird together with the Mustangs, and then we're like, no, let's get F-150s and do the same thing.
This Dodge dude's hardcore judging us right now.
He's really judging us.
Hey, at least I have a painter.
What the hell? I'm recording you, brother. I'm recording you.
Dodge guys ain't got no wieners.
But yeah, that's really all I have to say about mine. You can tell the stature's a little different compared to mine and his. So if you couldn't tell from the little video clip, this thing's got a
4-inch lift kit on her. See that?
And who was it by again?
Rough Country.
Rough Country.
That's one of the things that sold me on this truck, in all honesty. So I told you guys I have a car guy I go through. That's who I got my Mustang through. And I told him I was in the market looking for one, and they had this on the lot, fresh trade-in. He sent me the pictures of it and said, I thought of you immediately. As soon as I saw it, I didn't care if it was an EcoBoost, a V8, whatever. I just fell in love with it. I was like, yep, gotta have it. So 4-inch lift kit, fuel wheels, 35-inch tires. You can't go wrong. And it's kind of, even though it's not black, it fits the dark scheme of the Mustang. You know, like murdered out Mustang, somewhat murdered out F-150. I mean, it's not really going to be murdered because it's gray, but you know, same thing. Sport 4x4. No spray and bed liner yet, so that's
it's a little scratchy.
That's going to be coming here soon. But
he's going to take care of that.
But you know, interior pretty much the same as Nick's. Mine doesn't have the
fancy radio,
the big screen. But
it's funny because my Mustang's a base model and yours is like a premium, so we kind of flip flop.
Yeah, pretty much.
My truck is like his Mustang, and my Mustang is like your Mustang. Or wait, no,
my truck.
Yes, that.
There you go. Words.
Woo! Woo! High five.
Yeah. But other than that, I mean, they're pretty much the same color on the inside and everything else.
Yeah.
And I mean, I gotta give credit where it's due. I was really hesitant about the 2.7 until Nick and I went to one of our buddies' house. He's older than us, but he's a Mustang guy too. He's got a black S550. And remember, he had one of the 2.7s and he took us for a ride in it. And we about shit our pants. That thing pulls like a freight train. And it blew the tires off from a dead stop. So as soon as that happened, I was like, okay, this thing's pretty cool. It's not like I'm gonna be towing all that much anyway or hauling that much. I mean, yeah, we're gonna tow our Mustangs to Mustang Week, but this thing will do that all day. So, I mean, I just wanted a truck, you know, something newer, something nicer. So this is perfect for me, you know. Makes whooshy noises.
Makes whooshy noises.
And not the gay Honda Civic whooshy noises. I know what you guys are thinking, you dirty mind. Makes cool whooshy noises. Forward whooshy noises.
But really the plan with the trucks is just a good everyday driver, a good tow hauler so we can take them to Mustang Week like he said.
You heard it here right now. We are not modifying the hell out of these.
Not the hell. We'll probably do some little stuff here.
Little tweaks.
Technically I've already actually ordered parts, but I didn't. Long tubes and a full exhaust. Let's go. No, it was a $40 part. It was just a little thing. I'll tell you about it off camera.
Okay. See, we're gonna do stuff like that. Yeah. But we're not gonna do
little things here and there. Like
that's why I bought this one already lifted, so I didn't have to pay $1,400 to lift it.
Yeah.
Because I'm smart.
Yeah. But
sometimes.
I'd
say like 10% of the time. But hey.
But it's been a very long time since we made a video. It's been too long. We're trying to get back into it. We really are, but with the things in the world, like we were saying at the beginning of the video,
2020.
It's getting crazy. But if you guys,
2020, man. You know, okay. Speaking of 2020, so there's an interesting thing I saw, and I think I didn't send it to you. The Mayan calendar, when they changed all that over to like the different calendar, we lost 8 years. So you know how they said the world was supposed to end in 2012 and all this terrible shit was supposed to happen? Technically, based on that calendar, 2020 is 2012. So think about it that way. The world is technically coming to an end as we know it, and it's pretty much 2012. So whoever it was that said the world was going to end in 2012, f you.
Well, on that note, we're glad to be behind the camera again. We really
Pun
are.
intended. Because I'm actually behind the camera, you're in front of the camera.
Whatever.
You know.
Same difference. But
we're glad to have a camera pointed in our faces.
it's been too long. But what we can say is, even though we haven't posted anything, you guys have been on top of it. Like, our watch hours are like up. We appreciate it. Subscribers are going up. I don't know why. I don't know how. I'm not complaining, neither is he.
Nope, we appreciate it.
We appreciate it. Look forward to more content coming out. But other than that, that's really all I have left to say. Continue to be you.
And 2020.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Teardrops on the floor.